I see the light inside your eyes. You make me feel like.
Hi, it's MACE and welcome to my channel. If you want to achieve this Awra makeup tutorial, please keep on watching. Mag-start tayo sa clean canvas. First, lagyan natin ng primer. Ay, white, aqua. Favorite ko to. Next, gagamit ako ng Wet n Wild primer. Gagamitin natin tong L'Oreal Pro Matte. I'm in the shade 105. Ma-cover ang dapat i-cover. Gagamit ako ng damp beauty sponge dahil yun ang lagi kong ginagamit.
Inside your eyes, you make me feel like I'm awake. I don't know why you make me shine like a star in the sky. I'm okay. I wanna take a breath. I'm falling in love. I'm falling in love. I wanna hold your hand. Don't leave me alone. Don't leave me alone.
Kill cover. Kill cover. Magbe-bake naman tayo para tumagal naman yung makeup natin. Kailangan mag-bake tayo. Gamitin natin itong hair span. Ilagay lang natin. I-bake lang natin yung mga ilagay natin ng concealer. Ginamit ko yung same sponge. Ayan. Ngayon, magkikilay na tayo mga bestie. Habang binibake natin yung pesos na yan, yung gagamitin ko naman ay itong J-Cat. Focus ka, Bessie. Ayan. Eyeshadow base. Ginagamit ko yung NYX High Definition Eyeshadow base. Gamitin ko tong si Morphe P5 Zero. P5 ko? P5. Pinaka-light na matte. So, ilagay lang natin siya all over the eyelids. Mirror ko. Dito.
Inside your eyes, you make me feel like I'm awake. I don't know why you
balikan nila ako. Ayan, mag-blend tayo.
I'm okay.
Blend natin sila together. Together and egg.
I'm falling in love.
Tanggalin naman natin na itong binake na to. Lutong-lutong na to. Gamit lang tayo ng fluffy brush to wipe this off. Eyeliner naman tayo. Gagamitin ko is yung Maybelline Hyper hyper sharp power black. Ayan. Yung glad king ko siya binili, size 8 to 8.
You make me feel like I'm awake. I don't know why you make me shine like a star in the sky. I'm okay. I wanna take a breath. I'm falling in love. I'm falling in love. I wanna hold your hand. Don't leave me alone.
Gagamitin for contour, gagamitin itong My Anastasia contour kit.
My mind like a bottle of wine. I'm insane. I come alive, you drive me wild when I kiss you at night. I'm okay. I wanna take a breath. I'm falling in love. I'm falling in love. Falling in love. I wanna hold your hand. Don't leave me alone. Don't leave me alone.
So, ito na ang ating finished product. Ayan, nagustuhan nyo ba? Sana nagustuhan nyo. At nag-enjoy kayo sa panonood ng video ko. And please, pa-like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you on my next one. Bye!